Imagine waking up one morning, opening your window, and realizing there are two suns rising in the sky. Twice the light, twice the heat, and twice the I really need sunglasses energy. But what would actually happen if Earth orbited two stars instead of one? Let's break it down. No sunscreen required. Yet, first, in this what-if world, Earth isn't suddenly teleported into a wild sci-fi movie. Instead, imagine our sun gaining a partner star, maybe a bit smaller, like a dim red dwarf, or maybe a bright one just as intense. Two stars locked in a cosmic dance, with Earth trying to orbit them both. Right away, daylight changes a lot. Most days would be brighter, almost like someone turned the sky's brightness slider all the way up. Shadows would double instead of one long shadow. You'd have two overlapping ones, like your body couldn't decide where the light source is. Great for photographers, terrible for anyone trying to sneak around. Next comes temperature. With two suns, Earth would heat up. But how much depends on how close the second star is. If it's too close, Earth becomes a giant oven, oceans boil, clouds disappear, everything gets crispy. But let's imagine a calmer, more life can still exist version. A second sun that's bright but far enough away that Earth doesn't melt. In that case, our planet becomes warmer overall. Winters shrink, summers stretch. Some places might lose winter entirely. Sorry, snow lovers. Now the fun part, sunsets. With two suns, sunsets could become a full light show. One sun might set first, painting the sky orange, while the other lingers for another 20 minutes, glowing a softer red. Desert nights on Earth would look like scenes from Star Wars, minus the aliens asking for spare fuel. But two suns also mean weird rhythms. Plants, animals, even humans rely on light-dark cycles. With extra daylight, nights might become shorter or irregular. Birds could get confused. Flowers might open at the wrong time. And your sleep schedule? Good luck. You'd probably need blackout curtains so strong they could stop a laser. Speaking of life, some creatures might love it. Solar-powered things, plants, algae, maybe even solar farms would thrive. But others would struggle with the heat and extra radiation. Sunscreens would probably start at SPF. Why does this number have 3 digits? As we move into the "this is getting serious" zone, Earth's orbit becomes the real challenge. Two stars tugging on our planet means gravity gets messy. The orbit could wobble, shift, or stretch into odd shapes. Some years might be warmer, some cooler. Weather would jump around like it's trying new settings. Hurricanes could become stronger, droughts could spread. In short, climate gets unpredictable, and not in the fun check your horoscope way. Okay, time for the big reveal. The most surprising thing, Earth might not stay stable at all. In many two-sun systems, planets eventually get flung out of orbit like a kid tossed off a spinning merry-go-round. One wrong gravitational nudge and Earth could drift into deep space, freezing into a giant cosmic snowball. But let's stay in our safe, still alive version. If Earth somehow keeps a stable orbit, humans would adapt. We'd build better cooling tech. We'd farm different crops. We'd design cities with more shade than a sunglasses commercial. And we'd get to watch some of the most stunning sunrises and sunsets ever seen by human eyes. So what's the takeaway? Two suns mean beauty, danger, chaos, and wonder all at the same time. Earth could become warmer, brighter, stormier, and more dramatic. Life would struggle, survive, and evolve in ways we can barely imagine. And every evening, sky would remind us just how wild and fragile our world truly is.